Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your calendar view and also see other settings. Okay, we're going to go to our calendar. Mine is right here, but if you cannot find yours on other pages, just swipe down from the middle of your screen downwards like so and type in the word calendar. Okay, so you can see it appears here. Just click there and we open up our calendar. Okay, so what we're looking at right now is a yearly view. So you can see we see all the months in this year, 2022. We can even scroll down and see the years before that. Okay, so let's just focus on 2022. And right now we're in December. So I'm gonna click December and it opens up the month view. Okay, so again, we can scroll down and see the rest of the months. Right now we're jumping into 2023, as you can see right there. And we can also scroll backwards to see the months prior, November, October, etc. And we can go scrolling down to other years also. Okay, so let's focus on December for now. Okay, right now it's December 22. We're gonna click on that. And this is the daily view. As you can see, we see the hours. Right now it's 11:17 a.m. And we can scroll down, you see all the way to 12 a.m. Or scroll like this to see the 12 a.m. initial of the day. Okay, so let's take a look. We're gonna do a test. We're gonna check out calendars right here. As you can see, we have different types of calendars. We have right here the calendar, it's a standard one. We have the home and work. You can add more calendars. Okay, I'm gonna go back. We'll hit done. Okay, we're gonna add a test, for example. I'm gonna click right here where it says plus. Okay, let's do a test. I'm gonna hit all day, just so that we don't have to type in the hours. And right here where it says calendar, if I add this test, it's going to add it in the calendar that says calendar, but I can choose to add it to another calendar. So I'm gonna hit right there. As you can see, I can select the first one, home or work. For this example, I'm gonna add it to work. Okay, as you can see, it's now selected right here. It says work. I can even add alerts and whatnot and some notes. But right now for this example, I'm just gonna hit add. Okay, so as you can see right there, it appears all day test. And if we hit right here where it says December, you can see the little gray dot. That means that there's an event there. So on other days where there is no dot, that means the calendar is empty on that day. Okay, so I'm gonna hit 22 again. And as you can see, the test remains, but we can choose to see which calendars we want to view. So if I hit calendars right here, and I say, I don't want to see my work calendar, I just want to see the other ones. Okay, we're gonna hit right here, deselect it, and we're gonna hit done. Okay, what happened? As you can see, the test that we added is gone. I mean, it's not really gone, it's just hidden, but we can reactivate it by hitting calendar, work, done, and it appears again. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Please say subscribe and like so I can continue to give you guys more videos. Cheers.